carbon rear seats are pretty sweet. I mean, this guy went all out on this Supra.
But I was just talking to him how much I liked it. Dude, it's one of my favorite cars here.
Yeah.
That thing is
Just
sweet.
because it's an iconic car to begin with.
Oh yeah. 100%.
And the attention to detail is just like
Both of these cars, I don't know which one has more attention to detail. This car has like crazy amounts of detail.
But how do you keep this so clean?
Don't drive it. Don't drive it.
CTS
Keep it parked.
I love that. Don't drive it. How much power do you think that's pushing? 1,000?
1200.
Is it far? That's insane. Superman.
All right, bro, I'm getting out of here, man.
Hey, good to see you. Good to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Outside of your Instagram handle.
No.
That sounds good. I've never heard the Ryft on 488. If it sounds as good as it looks. The exhaust?
Yeah.
That sounds really
Man, I just want to lay in the shade, get in no shade, you know what I mean? And pontificate on life. We vibing under the city lights. Wherever the wind go take us. If it's good, we make it contagious. Said we vibing, laying on black sand beaches, thinking of what life teaches. So glad ain't fall from the deep end. Said we vibing under the city lights. Wherever the wind gon' take us. If it's good, we make it contagious. Said we vibing, laying on black sand beaches, thinking of what life teaches. So glad ain't fall from the deep end. Said we vibing. Even when the days feel low, faith's gonna have that glow. Already moving where they ain't think I go. Never show your hand or fold. Keep that poker face shining. Keep that hope and faith and face the fire. Ain't no trace of hate that you can find. If you say I'm hating, then you lying. Put your hand on the Bible, won't you try and say that again? Polygraph it, I'll probably map it. Got an alibi or a friend. Ever seen lightning hit same place twice? Won't say I'm God, but Zeus like. Also the guy with the juice side. Phase Avishai, we cruise. Vibing under the city lights. Wherever the wind gon' take us. If it's good, we make it contagious.
Alex, blue R8 right here. Looking sexy. Another R8. Huracan. Colleen's Huracan. Nice Ferrari 488. 600 LT. 812. Ian. Commies. I don't know what that means actually. Porsche row. Got the GT3RS. Oh, this one's sexy. This is the one I want. Can I have this one? Can I change the calipers to silver? I'll buy it from you. Whoever owns this. Team Savage. Hit me up. I want it. And I want it for a good deal. Not an overpriced deal. That Ferrari is pretty sweet, I gotta say. I've never seen a kit like that on a 488. Pretty nifty. Not sure what that is, but maybe it's a light. It would be cool if it is a light. SV, yellow SV. Two 600 LTs. Those colors, bomb colors. Ace, .0, GT3RS. You got the GTR. You got the crew. Manny, Jonathan. Ferraris out here. What? Just goes on and on. Ghost GT3. Performante bun. Let's go. Manny bringing his R8 and his C8. Look at that, R8 C8. Is that planned, Manny? Is that planned? I need to ask him. Manny, was it planned to get 2 cars with 8 in the name of the model?
that was not the plan.
C8, R8.
Don't mind if I do.
Don't mind if you do. Oh yeah, Jonathan drove the C8 and Manny drove the R8.
Hey, did I tell you? Check it out. Check it out what happened.
Tell me what happened. I need some YouTube content. I want a great story, like some big girl just jumped on your hood.
Pretty sure it's probably already weak, but I was flying, you know, 130, and then the splitter just
comes off. Yeah. You know what? On my buddy's C7 ZL1, same thing. Carbon fiber splitter just came off. What he needs to do is switch turbo this thing. I don't know, have you seen that? That black one? That thing was crazy on the Daily Driven Exotics channel. Yeah. Next twin turbo right here.
He did that before too.
Did he?
Oh look, here's our...
Hey! Good. How are you? I get hugs from pretty ladies. I heard this is for sale.
The price is
What is the price?
infinity.
Shit. No, shit. You're in the dark. What's up, man? What's up, stud? How you doing? Good, man. It's the man in the machine. What's up, bud? How you doing, brother?
Where's the perk?
I brought the Aston today. Congratulations.
Thank you, bro.
3 years.
3 years.
Happy for you, man. I saw you starting this thing, and you've grown to be quite a success. So I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
Give me 2 things, man. What does it take to be on Team Savage, and what does it feel like to be on Team Savage?
What it takes to be on Team Savage is be a hard worker and never give up in your craft.
Hell yeah.
And what was the other one?
What does it feel like to be
What does it feel like?
on Team Savage? What does it feel like?
The lifestyle, indescribable, and as long as you work hard, you can get whatever you want in life.
That's legit.
Yeah.
Follow this guy, Team Savage. They bring the best. Watch out for them because they're going to continue to rise.
Yes, sir. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
Team Savage, 3-year anniversary. Thanks for having us. We're the man in the machine. We support and represent everybody that's into cars. So give us a like, give us a subscribe, hit the notifications button, and tell us what you think is going on with this channel. Keep the content coming. Let's go. We out.
Racing is life. Anything that happened before or after